Good day, welcome to Martinez Design in the continuation of our Australia Hotel update design that we are doing. So here we want to work on the concepts, the last part of the concept before we start detailing the whole process one after the other. So let us move on and create another set of massing. So I'm going to level 1. So from the level 1 now, that's all I want to do something unique in nature. So I'm being here, so I'm going to create using massing and sites. So I'm creating another massing in place. So this is left mass 2. So at this mass 2 now, I'm going to draw a line because sometimes most of this may later leave. So I'm going to do this line from here. I'm joining it here. So I'm taking this one out like 3000 enter. So I'm rectifying this one to this level like 15,000, and I'm joining this to this. So this is the form I wanted to have at this side. So I have this side now at this junction. So the next thing I need to do is to copy this and paste it to the next level, which is go to south. So from here I will say copy. Then from here I will align to. I want to align it to level 5, not 4. I want to align to level 5 this time around. Because I have it in level 5, I'll look at this 3D is there. So what I need to do, I don't want it to be, I want it to be slanted. So so that by the time I want to manipulate it, it's more easy for me. So I go here now, I say rotate. Click on rotate, so the joint is selected and say rotate is without copy. So you can start rotating, you can see whether it will flow. It doesn't flow, so select it back. So now you select rotate again, and this time around you say disjoint. So you take this to the last point where the thing can be accessed, or like let's say from here. This is it. So you bring this down from this level now, you drop it to this level. So when you look at it in 3D, so it bends. So every part of it is bent. So now you can edit this one if you want to edit it by saying, okay, I want to offset, or I want to choose this angle side. So like I want to edit this profile now, edit it and say, okay, what I need to do first, go to just say create. Now just create it, create the form and let the form be solid. Good. The form is created, the creating is there. So now you can start manipulating every aspect of it from here. So level 5 is what is there for you. So you can take this and drag, let's say this side now, drag it. It allow you. Good. So you drag it again. Can you see the sharp one aspect is coming out? Little by little. So that is what you've done. So line of massing scale slightly axis up. So go to your 3D and see what you created. So here it's given like an issue, and decide to adjust it, or look at it from the start elevation and see. So the slant part which I want, I've gotten it. If I look at it from the west, so the same side part, I want to see it, whether it's working for me. Yes, I have the slant aspect to do. So the form I want to create, I've achieved that. So when I look at it from my perspective, yes, I got the aspect. So when you look at the original form of what we did before, this is what we have. So but now I want to adjust this come to the front a bit, because I want it to slant somewhere to the front. So I'm going to 3D. So from here I will select this. I'm still in the massing position. So from here I'll drag this come to the front and push it a little bit inward. So when I look at it from here, will it give me what I want? Good. Excellent. So this is exactly what I wanted to have. So slanting a little bit, and then let me get it from the west. Here, it's there. In the east. Good. Slant perfectly. So the form I want to get, I've created it in that manner. So click finish for now. So I'm going to work, say click save the project. Now let us go to level 5. At the level 5 now I want to cover this place up with where I need to cover it with a slab. So go to architecture and create slab for that to be covered up, so that when you click on the 3D proper, you're going to see that okay, no any part is left opened. So I'm doing this one now. So this one I'm still going to update them conveniently, so that just adjust the whole process. Put it here. So line, then you work on this or through. So start developing that. You join this one to this, at the same time you join this to this. So now you trim everything one after the other. I think we're done with that. Click finish. If there's any issue, that really refer to us. So we have that issue in place. So it's telling us something we have not done right. So I'm going to delete one of the line. So that's where the problem lies. So and save, click finish. So continue with the issue. So do the same thing here. So now go to 3D and see how far. So this is it. The part to which everything is being settled. So you can now do this boundary. So adjust this to suit him. So you can decide to come here a little bit, then adjust this with your mouse. So what you do, click here, adjust down a bit. So you look at it from the 3D perspective again. Good. So when you click finish, everything is super close. So now you get the concept right, and this is it. So you can now start to develop everything one after the other until the whole thing make a lot of sense. So as you are done with this one now, the next thing is to create a roofing system or update this. We have an issue with it, so say reset. So from here, you click here, delete this guy. So go to start elevation, then draw this line back. So let us start from here. Then we start the issue. So you click finish, and that is it. So you can adjust this if you feel like adjusting. Adjust it if you like. So okay, you want to adjust this process. So you do that. You get this from the 3D and the same thing. You do the same thing here, or you mirror it to another side. You feel like you don't want to. I'm going to do that for you. So I think I'm in level 1. So just say mirror. So this guy will mirror accordingly, and it will still look at it from there. The mirror is there. So the next thing that we work on the closing section of this. The concept is something that we want to do completely. So now we want to adjust this and say paste similar. So go to level 5, where is mainly, and close it. Say so from here level 5, or you select this and you say close similar. Paste similar in the same height. So you create this one and close it. So go to the space and see what you've created. So this is it. So you can decide to work on it in this way. So the next thing is that we want to create another useful concept here, which is going to be a ribbon concept. So what we do is that we go to West Education and we go to know what you are going to use. You are going to use this C grid, the grid. There is grid B. So go to start education and you come to architecture. From the architecture you say model in place. So you say no, not modern. Okay, let's use just normal roof by what extrusion. So I'm going to use with line B to do that. So roof by extrusion is what I want to use on the P16, which is okay. You can use that as a frame part of the insurance aspect. So now you click on this one and draw this, at the same time draw here and draw it down to this frame. So what I want to do, I don't want it to have a complete, so I just want it to have this one because I'm still extending it to this level. So now you click finish. So that is it for you. So when you go to your 3D and see, so you can decide now to extend it and close it down. So this is the grid B that I'm using for that. So that is it. That is what we have here. And you can decide to go to start again and raise it a bit up. So as we have it now, this whole things are coming up to life. So I'm going to bend this wall to make this level. It's a concept development. So this level, this wall is going to be bent to come to that level. So the point I'm going to do that is maybe at level 13. So here I'm adjusting this one. Top of set is -3. So I want to create something here. Let me do it this way. Click here, go to level, then adjust this one. And we see from level, just adjust it to minus now. So that will be what we do here. So from this level now, which is what level -1000. So you are going to create from level 12. Let's do that and see what you have. So draw this line from here to here. So I do this one to, then go to your 3D and just like say take this one down. Let it have something not joined together, but almost like having it in connection with them. So minus 2900 will be the answer for it. So what we do here is that we have done before, like you slant it. So as you slant, then you take it to the -5, slant back. So slant backward would be just a -10 or just a -10. So then you look at it from south elevation, you adjust this. So it's given an issue with turning back. So Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z, we're going to do the same thing there. Ctrl Z. So here I'm having issue with you because of the close power level. So what I'm doing that I'm raising this up now, then I'm going to level 12 or 13. So I'm taking it back from the joint option for now. So I'm going to now slant it to my taste. So where I'm slanting to my state on the angle of 10 degree. So go to start elevation. So make it minus. Yeah, so you can adjust this. So when you adjust it now, you raise it up or you still slant it the more because it doesn't fit in what I want to. So slant 15. You can slant it more. Let me slant it 20 degree. It's going to be too sharp, but just leave it that way first. -30 degree. Then adjust it with this position. So drag this one down. So let them have a coordination just good. So we have this like that, then you move it. Good. So that is what we created. So now you join this together, go to level. So you can just like, let's say it will work, and join this, align this level. You see, so we align the. So when you get back there, see the 3D, you see that it take the form of the shape. So here you can now adjust this one and say align to the same thing. They are not giving the. So any way you think of, you can edit the profiling, match this together with this. We have done it before. So you align to the roof, and then you look at it and say and say finish. So this is what we do. The concept is generated. Look at it from here and you see that okay, the concept is formed. Anywhere you look at it from the 3D aspect, you see this one, we are here and everything is being based, and the actual design procedure has been formulated. So we work on this one now and we align the whole things in place. So for this, we create something that we want to create for this one. So let's just say we want to use something simple like curtain wall. So let's adjust it to this and then adjust it to this, just like creating a sample, and we say create. So this is what this one will create for us at this junction. So later we can adjust it and give it the details of what you want. So can you see the concept is coming out and the whole ideas are flowing. So thanks for watching at this junction. In the next tutorial, we're going to see and detail everything one after the other until we get it to the perfect level.